In this bubble tutorial video, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to add alternating row colors to a repeating group that you're using as a table element when building your no-code app with Bubble. So I have a repeating group here. It's just listing through my contacts and it looks like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pad out my rows a little bit. It's going to make it look 100 times better. So I combine every element in the row into a row container. And then I'm going to add in some padding. Let's go for 12 top and bottom, and then 24 left and right. And we'll already see how much better that looks. Yep, there we go, much more uniform table. Right, adding the alternating color. So first of all, I'm going to select the group that contains all of the elements in my row. And I'm going to change the background color to white. And I like doing this because you'll see in a moment it just simply cuts out a step, which is now that I go to conditional and I say when current sales index, from Bubble's perspective, a repeating group's index starts at 1. And so this is 1, 2, 3, etc. And I'm going to say modulo 2 is 0. The modulo modifier effectively does a division, so it's saying take the current sales index, divide by 2, and if there is a remainder, or in this case if there is no remainder, meaning that it is an even number, I can then change the background color. And the reason that I set the background color to solid color is because it means I don't have to add in both background style and background color, because the background style fill color is already set. And so I change this to, say, a nice gray. I can preview it with this button here, on off. Now let's demo it in the preview tab. And so now you see I have a nice alternating color between the rows of my repeating group. Do subscribe if you're interested in learning more about Bubble. I'm going to be recording another video again about tables right after this, so subscribe so you don't miss that.
Hey guys, if you're finding these YouTube tutorials helpful, we invite you to explore even more content on our website at planetnocode.com. We have a large selection and variety of super in-depth and detailed video lessons there, created and curated just for our paying members. It's all about learning together and accelerating your no-code journey. Check us out at www.planetnocode.com and let's continue building without limits.